boss. Time to hammer this out. Quick, everyone inside! That's not in the blueprint! It's getting dark fast! Help! Help! Oh dear, the rain! Run! Run for your life!
Help us, someone please!
We're soaked and the house is broken.
Help! Goodness me, look what happened overnight! Our beautiful home! It's completely ruined!
What are we gonna do about this roof?
I have an idea! Hello, we'd like to build a new farmhouse.
A crack in the foundation! It's the watering schedule, contractor. We used too much and now the miniature base is unstable. Keep that mixer running. We need this foundation set by noon. Roger that, boss. Almost ready for the pour. The contractor fires up the Jeep, ready to move the supplies waiting on the flatbed truck. Everything is going great with the foundation. Excellent. We need to get those roof trusses ready by Tuesday.
First, Worker Peanut starts the tractor. Then he carefully backs up to attach the green trailer.
Wow! All right, set the next row right here. Make sure it's level before the hand returns. The first floor is complete. Excellent work, exactly as planned. It looks wonderful.
We carefully place the windows into the brickwork and finish up with the main entrance door.
The first floor is officially complete, solid as a rock.
Marvelous work, contractor. Simply marvelous.
It's perfect.
Well, folks, the roof is officially done. Looks sturdy enough for a windy day.
Make sure the blue door is set firmly.
Yes, contractor. The windows are next.
What do you think of the new level?
It's perfect, contractor.
The stairs are officially finished, gentlemen. Looks sturdy. Very impressive work.
And that's how you install the pump. Works perfectly.
Great job, boss.
And there you have it, folks. The new farmhouse, built to last.
It's magnificent. Absolutely splendid work.
Look, dear, the bricks have arrived.
Yes, and the cement mixer is ready to go. It's looking good.
The brickwork is perfect, Peanut. We'll start the roof tomorrow.
Sounds good, boss. What do you think of the first floor, folks?
It looks wonderful, exactly as planned.
Oh, yes, marvelous work.
Excellent work, everyone. The second floor is officially finished.
Looks... Ta-da! What do you think of the new stairs? Absolutely perfect for the new farmhouse.
And that completes the farmhouse build. Isn't it wonderful?
Next, we carefully pour the cement onto the second floor roof, making sure to spread it evenly with the trowel for a smooth finish.
Well, there it is, sir. The finest roof in all the county. Marvelous work, contractor. Simply marvelous.
And with the stairs complete, this farmhouse is officially move-in ready. Great work, team!
We're adding the water pump now, making sure it's secure in the sand and against the house.
Look how grand it turned out.
It's perfect. All our hard work paid off.
The first floor is officially complete. Great work, team.
And that's the final nail. The roof on farmhouse number 4 is officially complete and dry. Great work, B.
Thank you, contractor.
See how the trowel spreads the cement evenly before placing the next layer of bricks to form the second story. To complete the exterior, we're installing this detailed water pump right next to the stairs. Just a few turns with the screwdriver and it's secure.
Isn't it just grand, dear?
Absolutely wonderful.
Next, we install the bright blue door, followed quickly by the white framed windows.
All right, team, the first floor is complete.
Looks solid, boss.
Ready for the next phase. There we are, sir. The second story is framed up tight, ready for the roof. Nicely done, partner!
Looks perfect. Time for lunch.
Look at our new home! It's finally finished!
The second floor is officially complete. What do you think?
Marvelous work. Simply marvelous.
The foundation looks solid, doesn't it, dear?
Yes, the workers are doing a fine job.
And that's the 7th house finished. Great job, team. Whew. Yes, sir. Looking good.
Next, we carefully maneuver the bright blue door into the main entrance, followed by the white framed windows.
Well, worker, the roof is finally complete. Excellent work.
Looks sturdy, contractor. Ready for the next phase.
Perfect fit. Now secure the base, workers. Right away, boss. Looking good.
Well, old man, the stairs are finally finished.
Excellent work, contractor. They look sturdy.
We'll just secure the water pump right here with these tiny screws. A quick test of the handle, and it's ready for use.
And there you have it, folks. A beautiful new farmhouse.
We did it.
We start by spreading the cement evenly along the marked lines. Then we can...
The walls are finally finished. Excellent work, team.
The shingles are set and the sealant is dry. House number 8 is ready.
Splendid work, contractor. Truly splendid.
And there you have it. The second floor is officially complete.
Marvelous work.
It's perfect for the Harvest Festival.
The roof is finally done. It looks wonderful, doesn't it?
Great job, team.
And with that final touch, our miniature farmhouse is complete, ready for the animals to move in.
The hand carefully places the first layer of red bricks onto the fresh cement. Now we scrape away the excess.
And here we have the completed walls for the 9th farmhouse, structurally sound and ready for the roof.
Very impressive work, contractor.
Next, we carefully place the front door into the frame. Then the windows are secured tightly into the brickwork.
Next, the cement is poured and carefully spread across the roof to create a smooth, durable surface for our miniature farmhouse. Carefully spread the wet cement evenly across the roof to create a smooth surface.
The new 2-story farmhouse is officially open.
What a beautiful home for the farmer.
We did it!
Look, Martha, they've started laying the 10th foundation. The cement mixer is working hard.
Excellent work on the foundation, Peanuts. This farmhouse is really coming together.
Now we pour the cement onto the roof, making sure to spread it evenly with the trowel for a smooth finish. Next, we install the bright blue door and the lovely white windows on the second floor.
And just like that, the 2nd floor of the farmhouse is complete. Now for the roof.